That's pretty helpful, right? And look. Yeah. That's what I'm working on today.
Oh, you got your camera working.
Yeah. I don't know why it didn't work that day, but it's good now. I work at the testing center on campus, and I totally saw you walking down that main strip between the Ice Center and MC.
Today?
No, it was last night.
Huh. Are you sure it was me?
Like at 12:30.
Oh, yeah. Could have been. Start banging on the windows. I know you.
So Deanna said she was going to be late.
Okay.
So we'll just catch her up real quick when she gets on.
Well, if this quiz is anything like yesterday,
Yeah.
it shouldn't be that bad. Let's see, we're on week 2, lesson 3.
But wow, Tani, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, might as well just go through the homework real quick, just the part 2, since we're not all here.
Go through the homework.
Or not the homework, sorry, I meant the prep for today.
Prep.
Oh, yeah. The prep is frustrating because it's like either stuff I've learned or pretty basic common sense. But like I feel like obligated to read the whole thing.
Yeah.
And so it's just like kind of boring.
I actually emailed their teacher and I said, "Are we going to actually do any math in this class?" And he said, "Yes."
Yeah. In a stats class. But it's just like explaining to me what like a mean average is. And I'm like, everyone learned this in elementary school.
Mm-hmm.
Like we know, like even like just looking at your grades online, like you get the gist of it, even if you never learned it. You know what a standard deviation is.
Did you guys use SPSS to make a chart for 6?
Yeah.
Sweet. So I assume that I know one of the questions is it asks us to like compare our data, but I don't know how our data would be any different because we all have the same data set.
I wonder if anyone did a different, like, messed with the graphs at all, or just went with what default was.
Well, it doesn't make sense to compare data because it's all the same.
Yeah, you think so?
Or how well we made our graphs.
Is this what your guys' all look like? It's
Here's
just
my graphs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah. I don't mess with it much. I know you can change parameters and stuff, but I didn't mess with it.
For 9, which one did you say that you'd invest in?
Oh, the one with the highest mean. So C.
I said C as well. It also has the most consistent curve, so I figured, hey, that was probably the safest one. But it also had the greatest standard deviation, so it probably was the riskiest too. But that's fine. What I picked.
In the hand table.
I think that's the easiest part of what we've been doing.
Yeah, those.
You just follow the instructions. I mean,
let's just do some math. That would be fine with me.
My wife was talking to me about it, and when you're adding it all up, and you get like the 0.86 in column 3. She said that there's a question eventually where they ask like, what does that mean? But it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't have any significance at all. It's just needed to get the variance of the data.
That's just the sum of your squared stuff, right?
Yeah, it's the sum of that column, but it doesn't have any real significance until it's been divided by the n minus 1. Oh, sweet.
I did, I'm making a Word document and just listing all of our full names and the link from the thing, just in case that ever comes back to haunt us, since there's nowhere to post it.
Okay.
It's in a Word document, so we've got it if we ever need it.
Okay, and I've got all the videos like on whatever they're saved onto, and then I can always throw them up if we do get to the point that we have to do that.
Is your wife still in school?
Nope, she just graduated.
Okay.
Biostatistics, so
Oh. I learn. Let's see if I can get that.
kind of right up her alley.
Yeah. Where is it? Was Julian gonna come? Do we know of?
I'm not sure. I didn't.
I don't remember him talking yesterday at all. Did he talk?
He
He
talked.
said a couple things.
Okay, I couldn't tell.
Oh, there he is.
All right.
Julian,
Hey, can you hear me?
do you have any questions about part 2? We just kind of went over part 2, but if you've got it all figured out, then we can just go to the quiz. Hello? Did you have any questions on that? On the part 2 of the prep?
Oh, I'm sorry. On the practice? No, I didn't.
The prep? Okay. Then let's just go ahead and take the quiz.
Alrighty.
And then we'll catch Deanna up when she gets on. I don't know. She said she's just going to be a little late.
Quiz.
Looks like we're actually using SPSS for this.
Well, I guess I better open that one.
So we're actually using SPS.
It says we'll need to use the wrong site, wrong patient data set.
Right. Open my DM.
That's right.
Okay, so yeah, I think we just find some of that same information we found the other day. Data.
So it's all type in.
Yeah, so
Sure.
wrong site, wrong patient. I feel like SPSS takes forever to load.
Okay. That's the sad thing that they operate so much on wrong sites and patients. Sad. My friend's had daughter.
I can't get mine open.
Her surgeon signed her back because she was operating on her back. So he signed her back so he would make sure it was the right patient and whatever the day before.
Yeah.
And he didn't come off very well. He was tattooed. Nothing like being signed, like these artwork. Okay.
I can't get my my file open.
I think if you click the link in the quiz, it'll take you to the site again, and you can download that individual file.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
So find the mean amount of hospitals I had to pay in the wrong site.
You're in the wrong site, wrong patient again. The right one. It seems
It
to
said something about doing everything to 3 decimal places.
in your final answer, yeah.
So
One word or what?
what was that? Are you trying to find it?
You're wrong site, wrong patient list. Do you open it on what the heck?
Oh, did you download that that list of all the different data sets? It was a zip file.
Yeah, but it doesn't save it in the VM.
Oh, are you in the VMware?
Yep.
Oh, ouch, yeah.
I'm not sure. It's just not opening for me.
There we go. It's almost open. Here we go. There. Open. Now what?
Maybe someone can just screen share it,
I can screen share so you can see what's going on.
Okay.
and then we can all look at it.
We are doing that. What are we looking for? And the mean hospital selecting the wrong site.
Okay, so
All right. Analyze. Or
this is the data. Can you see it?
wrong. Says wrong site. Okay. Wrong site. And good. So we're looking for the mean hospital for the pay. All right.
Okay.
Mean was 80,041.24.
Yep.
I would think we would round anything on that since it's dollars, right?
No, that one I don't think it's around.
Does it want a dollar sign? And an enter, or just the numbers, do you think?
No, just because it probably answers it from the numbers. The dollar sign will mess it up automatically.
I think I may have done the tech setup for the class wrong. So after we meet, I'll just figure that out and make sure it's ready to go for Friday.
Okay, that sounds good. And so the median amount of hospitals had to pay.
68,552. Yes.
What was that?
$68,552. Is that right?
Yeah, I don't have that on my thing, so I think I didn't set my.
And standard deviation. Standard deviation is 71,403, and let's say 83. No, it wants the whole dollar. Sorry, so 71,404.
What was it for the median?
Median was 68,552.
52?
52, yeah.
And then the mean was 80,041.
80,041.
Okay, thank
They
you.
want us to round that one. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that was right. I didn't round here. So.
Oh, okay. So the median then was for which one did it want? For the median amount for wrong site.
For the
Wrong
wrong
site
site,
lawsuits.
median was 68,552.
What number did you say again? Sorry.
68,552.
That's different than mine.
Is it? I went under Wrong site, explore. Under analyze.
So analyze, descriptive, explore. You
Uh-huh.
put them in, and then what was your confidence interval? Oh, it doesn't matter for that. I wonder what I did different that made it so.
Is it way different?
Mine's 62. My median's 62,628.
Are you on wrong site or wrong patient?
Wrong site.
Hmm.
Wrong patient. The median is 18,000 something. What I did. We're trying to do wrong site. Wrong site. Oh, now it gave me the same number as you. I must have done them together or something. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Anyways, I have the 68,550.
Okay. It makes me feel a little better.
I guess I just have to run them individually, not as a group.
Just to recap, the mean is 80,041. Then
0.24.
But it once rounded to the nearest dollar.
are we doing the?
Oh, does it say to the nearest?
Dollar. It does on that question.
Oh, nearest whole. Oh, okay, yeah.
I had to go back because I hadn't.
Then.
And then for 4, the median is 68,552.
Yep.
Should we round it or are we?
No, it's even.
So
Find the standard.
what's the sense? 68,552. What?
Just that.
It was just a flat number. There's no
sense.
Okay. And standard deviation 71,404.
Yeah.
And that's for standard deviation and wrong site.
Yeah.
All right. So the next questions, it looks like I can do them.
You got 71,403.
Yeah, but they want it rounded and it's 80 cents, so.
84, 71,404.
Okay, it's good that I'm getting the same numbers.
You still have different ones?
No, whatever I don't know what I did the first time that messed it up, but I'm getting the same numbers as you now.
Okay, good.
Which is what? Oh, what I did there.
So we're moving on, right?
Yeah, now we're on
The hepatic cancer.
6. Yeah.
So
That one's
the
just
mean survival time would be 7 months.
Yeah, so 7.
And then the median would be 4 because we take the mean of the 2 middle ones.
I'm sorry, what?
I said the median would be 4 months because we take the mean of 3 and 5.
Do you actually do that, or don't you take the middle number? So it would be 3 and. I don't know.
No. In our reading last week, or prep for the meeting we had yesterday, it said that you take the mean of the 2 numbers if it's an even amount of
data points.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's 4.
1, 3, 5, 19. That's quite a difference there. Okay. The variant question. Right.
So A is 12.
Okay, so question 8.
Yeah.
A is 12.
B. 49. Seven for A and 49 for B.
You said 7 for A?
Wouldn't it be 7 because x bar is the mean, and so the x in that case is 19 minus the mean, which we decided was 7.
7. So A would be 12.
Oh, did I say? What did I say?
7.
You said 7.
I was, yeah, I wrote down 12. If you saw my screen.
Yeah.
And then 12 squared.
I don't know what I'm doing over
Well,
here.
B.
Yeah.
B
Or well,
next line. That's 36, right?
Just kidding.
it'd be B, so it'd be 1 minus the 7, and then
6, which is 36.
36.
So B is 36.
Yeah.
Let's see if they're gonna
That makes sense to me.
do that.
What is the standard deviation in the survival
Gotta
times?
finish this out.
I have to do the rest of it. So
45 divided by
4 plus 36.
and then square root of that. Round to the nearest tenth. I came up with 9.0 rounded to the nearest tenth.
9.0?
I got something way different, so I think I may have done it wrong.
Well, not as. So for column, what's that first column? -7, 12, -6, -4. Squaring all
Yeah.
the 9, 144, 36, and 16. Yes.
Yeah.
Adams 245. Divide them by the n minus 1, which would be a 3,
3.
Yeah.
which is 81.66. And then square root of that. Yes? Is that the correct route?
Sounds right. Let
I
me,
believe so.
Okay.
So you get what?
I got 9.0369 something.
Okay. So round to the nearest 10.
Yeah.
9.0.
I want someone to verify it, make sure that's what they're getting to, though.
No, that math made sense to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm double checking.
Okay. I'm not just taking mine. So make sure you're on the same page.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And it makes sense.
5-number summary.
It's kind of a big spread there. So are we moving on? Or are we on 11?
Wouldn't the first number of the 5-number summary be the low?
It's, yeah, the minimum.
So wouldn't it just be 1?
so what did we say it was? Sorry, I was trying to do it myself.
Oh, wrong patient. Let me go back to wrong patient.
What was the answer for 10?
9.0?
9.0?
Yep.
Oh.
What did you get?
I got 8.1, but I don't know if I did it wrong. So
I went through numbers. Did you?
you have 4, 144, 36, and 16, right?
The first one I have is 49.
Maybe that's where I messed up.
You're right. It should be 4. You caught me.
So 5 minus 7, so -2, which is 4, and then 12,
4.
12, which is 144, -6, which is 36 squared, 4, which is 16, adds up to 200.
You're supposed to catch my mistakes.
Divide that by 3,
Yeah.
and then you get 66.6. But then you have to take the square root of that to get the standard deviation, which gives you
8.1.
6, so 8.2, the nearest tenth.
8.2.
Or root 8.2. Sorry, I had that number wrong.
No worries.
That's why I
Because
was
I caught it.
forward until someone else had gone through it.
So what's the low for the wrong patient lawsuit data?
Hang on, I need to pull it up.
It
The
went to the
minimum.
wrong patient,
Yeah, so we gotta do the other one.
wrong
Yeah,
site.
wrong patient.
Wrong patient. Let's fix that. Move it out. Wrong patient again. So, wrong patient. Minimum is 0.
Okay, can you see my screen? This is the wrong patient.
I need
Okay, so the minimum 0?
Let me do the.
Minimum 0, yeah.
All right, takes it easy.
Statistics.
So the fourth number is what, the fourth quartile? Third quartile?
I'm still trying to. Patient.
Oh, this doesn't give the.
Statistics. Now I need to add the percentiles and the quartiles in. Percentiles, quartiles. Okay. Here we go.
So you can't use Explore for the quartile. You've got to use.
The statistics. Drag the table. The top here. Drag. There we go. Minimize it. All right, let's find the stat here. Patient. So for the percentiles, for the 25th percentile, I have 3,900. The 50th, I have 1,882. Right one. And then for the 75th, I have 50. Do they want it rounded? Nearest 50,436 and 50 cents for the 75th.
50,436
and 50 cents.
50 cents.
And then let me see
All right.
what your other numbers are here. Wrong patient. Oh, it's giving me the percent. My other chart I had. Wrong patient, and then the max I have is 1,250,000.
Hey, Timothy, are you able to open up the file?
I'm not.
Yeah, I can't do it either.
No, I'm just gonna go through the instructions on text setup folder again this afternoon to make sure I can do it. I was pretty confident, and then I tried to open it up and don't have any time to figure it out right now.
Yeah.
Like you can't log in?
No, like I just like it won't even. I click on a file and it's like, what do you want to open this with? And I like can't open it.
How
Yeah.
So I just need to go through that folder again. So 12 was no, 11 was 0.
Yeah. The
So
second
what's the second number?
3,900. That's the 25th percentile.
3,900 flat.
Yep.
Can you tell me
0
where you
cents?
went to do that? Because
You have something different.
I'm finding the quartiles, but it's not giving me exactly like 25%. It's giving me weird percentages. Like on my, I don't know if you can see my data. Oh gosh.
Let me go back. Let me get out of the VM for a sec.
It shows me.
Yeah, I got that too. But above that is where my quartiles were. Right there.
Oh, that helps if I actually look at what I did. Thank you.
Hi, Deanna.
Hello.
So
So yeah, those are the same numbers I've got. So let me go back to my VM here.
You know what I just realized is that I have that VM remote server download, and I didn't even go through that. I'm on my laptop and on school. I just totally bonehead move.
Okay.
That sucks.
So Timothy, for the fourth number, that's the 75th percentile.
Yeah.
I have 50,436.50.
Okay. And the one before that's 3,900, and the one before that's 0, right?
Yes. So I
All
understand.
right.
Part
And
of why
then the last ones we don't even need us. We don't even need that software.
As for that one. Okay, what's the third quartile? The red box.
I put 190.
Third quartile. My third quartile, they made the 75th percentile, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that looks like one. Yeah,
190.
8, yeah, something like that.
185.
I'd go 185 because it looks like. But what do you think?
Sorry, what are we on? There's a plane flying by and it's super loud.
Number 14.
Okay.
And then for 15, the longest observed, it looks like 715 to me.
Yeah, that's a good estimate.
715 for.
Yeah.
For 15. And then question 16, the mean,
So how
105.
the third quartile in the red box decisions?
The third quartile, what?
We put
14.
185.
Yeah, we thought maybe 185.
So it's just the top of that little green box.
Yeah, it's the top line of the green box.
Okay.
We can't determine the mean from that, just the median, correct?
I guess, yeah.
Yes.
So
So it cannot be determined.
Question.
remember that you get 2 attempts on this quiz, so if we get it wrong, then
The median for that though would be like 105 seconds or something.
Yeah, but
Well,
without
we
how
don't
many
know how
data
many.
points or whatever.
Yeah. We don't have data points, so we can't do it ourselves.
That was one of the questions on the homework. I think that I was like, well,
Do we want to just run through it from the beginning again, just so?
yeah.
Yeah, good idea.
Everyone can be on the same page.
Deanna, when did you come in? What? You don't need one?
I'm not sure. I think you were working on 14.
Okay. The 1 and 2
Let's just-
is your own accountability.
Right.
All right. And
So
is your
3?
SPSS working, Deanna?
I haven't got on this morning yet.
Okay.
Let me see.
But you've been using it successfully and you're more comfortable.
Yeah, for my homework. Yeah.
I think that's helpful to know.
Yeah.
Okay. So you do want to start at number 3?
Okay.
For number 3, it's the wrong site lawsuits rounded to the nearest dollar. I have 80,041. 80041. We all concur with that?
Yeah.
Are you guys putting dollar signs and commas?
No,
I did not.
no commas, no dollar signs. I think.
Okay.
It'll accept the answer.
Yeah, tricky programs. And then for question 4 is the median amount. I had 68,552.
Mhm.
And then for the standard deviation, 71,404 rounded to the nearest dollar.
Yeah.
Yep.
On 6, we averaged or took the mean of those 4 survival times and came up with 7. Adds to 28, divided by 4 is 7.
Okay.
And then the median survival time in months, 3 and 5 are the middle, so we took the average of those. So that's 4.
Okay.
If I say something wrong, please correct me, Benjamin.
Yep.
Question 8. We did the second row there as, since the mean was 7, it would be 5 minus 7 is 2. So A would be 19 minus 7, which is 12. So 12 for number 8. And then under that in the column would be -6, -4. Next row would be squaring those numbers. So 4, 144, 36 is the B. So 36 is the question 9 answer.
Sorry, we still had 12 for A, right?
Yeah.
A is 12.
Yeah, it's 12.
Okay.
And
Thanks,
B
guys.
is 36.
Yes, that's what we
Yeah.
had. 16, and then to get the standard deviation, which is question 10, you add those 4 numbers, which comes to 200. Divide it by the n minus 1, which is dividing by 3, comes up with 66 something, and then take the square root of that, which we rounded to the nearest tenth is 8.2. That's the answer for 10.
Okay.
In 11, we went into the wrong patient lawsuit, SPSS, and got those 5 numbers. The minimum was 0, so that's the first number in the 5-number summary for number 11. Question 12 is the second number, so that would be the 25th percentile, which from that was 3,900. Question 13 is the fourth number, which would be the 75th percentile, which was $50,436.50 because it wanted it rounded to the nearest cent.
That was 50,000 what?
$50,436.50.
50 cents. Okay.
And then 14 was the third quartile of the red box decision times. We estimated that top line of the green square to be about 185.
Okay.
In question 15, the longest observed time is that max at the top, and we thought it was probably about 715.
Okay.
And then 16 on the box plot, what is the value of the mean? For the mean, we need to have the actual numbers, and those quartiles don't give us enough information, so we said this cannot be determined.
Okay.
Are we all agreed on all those or not?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. I'm pretty sure we got all those right.
Okay. We go ahead and submit quiz.
All right.
If we failed, then we will retake.
No, I think we did a good job.
Percent.
Excellent.
Well done.
Okay.
Good job. Although I missed number 5.
Number 5. Number
I
5.
think I didn't put anything in there for whatever reason.
Oh, go
Shoot.
back and put in the 70,404.
You get a second chance.
Okay.
You write those down too, or just
No. 70,000.
404?
404. All right.
71,404.
Whoops.
Yeah.
71,404. Okay. Sorry, guys. This morning was crazy.
Yes, it was. I had to ship off some of my children somewhere else.
Yeah.
I still
I
have
didn't
one
think-
here, but everyone else is at school or on the way to the bus.
Sweet. So we'll just meet again at this time on Friday,
Okay. Thank you, guys. So sorry.
next Tuesday.
So do we have, I want to just double check and make sure that we have that unlocked so we can, not like at midnight tomorrow, so that we actually have time to do that next.
I think it happens tomorrow during the day, like tomorrow morning.
Lesson 4, it says, starts at 11 a.m. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. it unlocks. So we have most of the day to get that done before we
All right.
meet.
So we'll see you Friday morning with lesson 4 done.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
all.
See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.